Hello viewers, now you can also get this cool and trendy desktop wallpapers on your Windows screen. So, first of all, open your browser. Search Live Wallpaper for PC. Click this link, Motion Backgrounds. You can see there is a lot of awesome wallpapers. Select one of these. In my case, I downloaded this one. After downloading, open Microsoft Store. Search Lively Wallpaper. Now install this Lively Wallpaper app. After installing, open it. Here you see some live wallpapers. Now we are going to install our own. Click this positive icon. Click Choose a file and select the downloaded live wallpaper. Click OK. It will take some time. Please wait. And yes, now you have successfully installed your live wallpapers. Isn't it awesome? Hide your icons to make it look cool. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for this kind of cool features.